It's just you enjoying driving. There's nothing like a stick shift. They lose the focus with computers. You're taking away one of the best things about driving, which is the enjoyment of driving. From a human perspective, you will enjoy driving a manual car more. If you have any fucking spark left in you when you're on a windy road, you want to go, wah, wah. Even if you're not driving fast. This high revving, there's something about that as it's happening that excites you.
Right.
It's music, it's dance, it's love, it's real.